welcome to my channel. You're watching DIY and Get Crafty and myself Pavitra Vijayan. In today's video, you're going to watch how to make a lampshade for a pendant light. I have used old monthly calendar paper for making this, and you can use any paper you have. In today's project, we are going to set up some electric connection for the pendant light. In case you don't have any experience on setting up electric connection, then please seek advice or assistance from experienced people. I used gold spray paint for this project. In case you don't have spray paint, it is not at all a problem. You can very well coat with white paint and then apply gold acrylic paint over it. I'm asking to apply white paint because gold paints usually will be very transparent. You can apply 1 or 2 coats for a best result. make this project from a very long time. So finally the time has come and I have made it. I wish and hope you like this idea. So please let me know in the comment section below if you have liked this idea, and if you try this at home, please share me your pictures in Instagram. If you have any video suggestion for me to try, then please let me know in the comment section. Please try this at home with the proper guidance and assistance from elder. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing to my channel and keep supporting, guys. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, bye.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see.